Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You are watching the 43rd match in the season. Scores are Jonathan Grant high on 22 points, Decarteret College on 20. And a brief explanation, Decarteret College lost a point for their answer to the 7-letter adjective starting with C question. A callus came after the pass, so they lost a point. But they picked it back up for the answer to the question, what is the name for a deep depression land surrounded by higher ground? Canyon was indeed accepted. They also picked up a point for the Napoleonic Wars question that was categorized into 5 categories, so they picked up a point for that. And finally, I had the incorrect answer for who was the first female Caribbean athlete to win an Olympic gold medal. We would have all loved it if Merlene would have won it, but she didn't. It was Dion Hemmings. With that, we get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast answers, which could put you 1 step closer to winning the championship. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. And with that, we begin with Bible knowledge. Who was the judge of Israel immediately after Othniel? Ehud. Biology, there are 3 primary germ layers in the very early embryo. Which of them is the middle layer? The mesoderm. English language, does the word nefarious mean bright, single, or wicked? Decarteret College.
Wicked.
Correct. International affairs, a visual one. Teams, look on the screen. Identify this person, please. Kristalina Georgiev, president of the IMF. Chemistry, what is an intermediate product of the iron industry, also known as crude iron, which is obtained by smelting iron ore in a blast furnace? Pig iron. Music and audio one. Teams, listen to the clip. Identify the singer here. Decarteret College.
Ariana Grande.
Correct. General knowledge, which U.S. president was nicknamed Slick Jonathan Grant?
Slick Wicked. Richard Nixon.
Richard Nixon.
Incorrect. Slick Willie was President Bill Clinton. Spanish. Translate to English the following sentence. La casa está a corta distancia de la estación. Decarteret College.
The house is a short distance from the station.
Correct.
Awesome.
Geography. What is the process responsible for moving significant amounts of sediment along the coast through swash and backwash? Jonathan Grant.
Longshore drift.
Longshore drift.
Correct. Theater and cinema visual. Look at the screen. Identify this person, please. Jonathan Grant.
Wesley Snipes.
Wesley Snipes.
Correct. Information technology. The CLI is a text-based user interface used to view and manage computer files. What does CLI stand for? Command line interface. History. The Battle of the Bulge in World War II was also called the Ardennes. Jonathan Grant.
All right. Which year?
Which country?
1944.
1944.
It took place in Belgium is what we're looking for. Mathematics. A cube has the same volume as a cuboid measuring 2 centimeters by 4 centimeters by 8 centimeters. What is the length of an edge of the cube? 4 centimeters. Physics. This electrical component is made from 2 electrical conducting plates separated by a dielectric. What is it called? A capacitor. Sport or visual one. Teams, look at the monitor. Identify this person, please. Jonathan Grant.
Shane Brathwaite. Shane Brathwaite.
Incorrect. Shane Dowrich. Jamaican heritage. Which group of people brought oranges to Jamaica in the 16th century? The Spaniards. French. What specific piece of furniture is un canapé? Jonathan Grant.
The couch or the bed?
No, the sofa.
The sofa.
Correct. Literature. Who won a Pulitzer Prize for the famous novel The Color Purple? Jonathan Grant.
Alice Walker.
Alice Walker.
That's right. Art. Name one of the art forms for which Edgar Degas, Jonathan Grant.
Impressionism. Impressionism.
We wanted painting, sculpture, or drawing. Judges, Bible knowledge. Whose mother was instructed to drink no wine, or Jonathan Grant?
Samuel.
Samson. Biology. The stratum corneum is the body. In the body is composed of dead cells called keratinocytes. In which organ? Jonathan Grant?
Skin.
That's right, English language. And we won't have time, as that bell signifies the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. Scores look to be Jonathan Grant High on 22 points, Decarteret College on 26. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.